Number 5 says the order is for 82 micrograms per kilogram, and the available is 8 milligrams per cc. So how many cc should be given to a patient with a body mass of 210 pounds? So my first step is going to be to start with the weight, and I want to divide that by 2.2. So 210 divided by 2.2, we get 95.454545, and I always round this step to the nearest tenth. So 95.5 kilograms. Next, I want to find the rate which has the kilograms. So that is not that rate, that is this rate. So I'm going to use that second. So 82 mcg over 1 kilogram is equal to x over 95.5 kilograms. And then I need to solve the proportion. And we get x is equal to 7,831 micrograms. So this is the amount of powder drug, but we need to convert this to the amount of liquid drug. So I need to lastly use this rate, and 8 milligrams over 1 cc is equal to 7,831 micrograms over x, and I need to convert this, so this will be 8,000 micrograms, and if I solve that, we're going to get x is equal to 0.9788, but I want to round this to the nearest tenth. So the 7 tells me to round this up to actually to a 1. So this is going to be 1.0 cc.